So guess what I'm doing today? You can check out. So I'm going to everything. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna have my car set up. It's on a car basically. Yes, I'm going to show you. So I'm going to go in my car. Now here is my car. Gonna go in there. Wait, I forgot something. Alright guys, I'm in the car now. Suitcase is in the back, so I still gonna close the door. I'm gonna close the door. And then so hard to close the door. I'm gonna close the door when you're paused away. Alright, I closed the door. Now I'm gonna drive the steering wheel. No, actually my parents are gonna drive. No, my parents are not here, so I'm just driving. Basically, it looks weird. We are there! Oh, finally, that long drive gave me a headache. I never died by myself. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to put my suitcase. Let's put it on a scale. I don't think you can see the scale. Actually, suitcase is gone. Let me now drop it out. Race. Let's go back to the next station. Okay. Now I'm going to tell the person that's right here to with my passport. Passport! Everybody needs a passport. I'm still waiting in line. Okay, so I have my passport. Oh no, I'm forced. Yay! Here's my passport. Please tell me it's good. Okay. Alright, let's see the passport. Alright, it's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. It's good. Wait, it's good. Ready to stand. Yay, stand. Let me stand. Okay. Close. There you go. Second step. Up the way. Yay, see my passport is second step. See what it says. It says words. Mia Twister. Love. Wait, is it Love Messenger Kids? Messenger Kids is a program. You call people on it. So there's stuff on my passport, secrets of me. So I told you one. Okay, so now let me go to the next station. Okay, guys. Now I'm up to here. With my little car, I have to put it, and then the X sign will turn to a check sign, and then I get cost free. Let me try it. Ding, ding. Oh, I forgot! Let me just do it. Ding, huh? Ding, ding, ding. Alright, so I don't know. Let me do it again. Roll up. Right, guys. There you are. Let me put it in. Ding, ding. Whoa, ta-da! See? Now it's turned to a check mark. Oh, here we go. Yay, I did it. Okay, I did it. It's going back, but still not a check mark. I'm gonna bring my screen. Okay, so maybe you'll come with me. Okay? So guys, so I'm gonna sit down and wait for my airplane. Please get delivered. Come on board. Oh, it's our gate. Let's come on board. Bye, bye airport. Bye, 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 bye. Guys, I'm on the airplane. Oh, let me sit on my seat. I'm bored. I'm already bored. I'm always bored. What should I do? Maybe I can talk to you guys. Since I don't need to sit in my seatbelt, I wanted to take. Sorry, she was sending me something, I guess, in my iPad. What are you doing? Let me write her down. She said, what are you doing? So funny. This is what I wrote. Oh, I am in a airplane. You want to see it? Let me wait until she goes. Oh, there's 3 dots. Yes. Oh, you saw what I sent her. Let me see her. Keys. Wait to see. Wait. She sent me have a good flight. Hey, now let me put my iPad away. I'm so excited when I get there. Please fasten in your seatbelt. I have to go inside and I have to fasten my seatbelt. Okay, let me go inside. Airplane. You've the airplane just for hours. Only. I am so bored, guys. Definitely as bored as I could. Let's see what you send me. I'm getting mad. Right. Since we're halfway there, so how much more hours? 2 more hours. There's literally 2 more hours to go. Now I'm gonna go to sleep because I'm super tired. It's morning, guys. So excited to get there and have some vacation. Well, you're not gonna see me have vacation because it's been a long video and I don't have space. So I'm gonna say bye right